Hey everyone, welcome back. Shark vacuums can make cleaning a whole lot easier, whether you need a powerful upright, a lightweight stick vacuum, or a robot vacuum that handles the work for you. Shark stands out for strong suction, useful features like self-cleaning brush rolls, and great value compared to pricier brands. I tested the top models for suction, pickup performance, ease of use, maneuverability, battery life, and overall value. Today, we're ranking the 8 best Shark vacuums, from budget-friendly picks to premium cordless and robot models. Let's get into it. Starting at number 8, we have the Shark RV2610WA Matrix Plus 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum. This is an incredible suction and sonic mopping robot. First, it's an ultra-powerful whole-home vacuum on carpets and floors that empties its own dustbin. Second, it's an ultra-powerful vacuum that sonic mops hard floors at the same time. With Matrix Clean, the robotic vacuum cleans in a precision matrix grid, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris, delivering 30% better carpet cleaning versus RV2610WD single pass tested on level loop sand. Clean Edge Detect uses blasts of air and corner recognition to remove debris from edges and corners, pulling the debris into the cleaning path for 50% better edge cleaning versus the RV2610WD with Clean Edge turned off. It cleans edges and corners. The self-cleaning brush roll digs deep into carpets and directly engages hardwood floors, pulling up debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces in your home. Engineered to pick up more hair and is anti-hair wrap. It's at number 8 because of incredible suction with sonic mopping 2-in-1 functionality. At number 7, we've got the Shark Detect Liftaway ADV Corded Upright Vacuum. Floor Detect. The IntelliSense ultrasonic sensor detects the type of floor you're cleaning and automatically adapts its brush roll speed for optimal performance on all surfaces. Direction Detect. IntelliSense automatically recognizes the direction you are vacuuming and directs its powerful suction forward or reverse for maximum cleaning in both directions. It's at number 7 because floor detection automatically adapts brush roll speed. Direction Detect direct suction forward or reverse. Liftaway pod for stairs and furniture. LED headlights reveal hidden debris. Self-cleaning brush roll with no hair wrap. Odor neutralizer technology freshens homes. A HEPA filter traps 99.99% of allergens. Advanced swivel steering for tight spaces. For an intelligent corded upright with detection technology, this is solid. At number 6, we have the Shark Power Detect Clean and Empty Cordless Vacuum. The best debris cleaning of any cordless vacuum, Shark's most advanced cordless, powered by our best cordless suction. 4x intelligent technologies that detect and react to your home. While vacuuming, Power Detect will detect hidden dirt, edges and corners, carpets and floors, and cleaning direction, and then automatically boost power when dirt and debris are detected. It's at number 6 because it has the best debris cleaning of any Shark cordless with the best cordless suction. Automatically empties and charges while docked. Locks away dirt for up to 45 days. Duo Clean Detect with 2x brush rolls for all floors. 4x intelligent technologies detect and react. Direction Detect with forward and reverse pickup. Multi-flex bends under furniture. Odor neutralizer for a fresh home. For a premium cordless with auto empty, this is advanced. Number 5 brings us the Shark Power Detect Never Touch Pro. If you love Shark as a brand, the Power Detect Never Touch Pro is the best the company has to offer. In lab testing, it did great picking up sand from hardwood floors, removing nearly 96%, which is one of our highest scores on a robot vacuum. With carpet, we consider anything above 50% to be good. The Shark managed 54.5% from low pile and 53% from mid pile, making it better than average but nothing spectacular. As mentioned, the Never Touch Pro has all the modern features you want on a robot, including vacuuming and mopping functionality, a self-emptying dock, improved navigation with 3D mapping, 360-degree LiDAR, and dirt detection sensors. Navigation was also quite good, with the robot moving around our test room in 21 minutes. The cleaning time is a little higher than some other models, but it was comprehensive, hitting most of the edges and navigating under a multi-legged table. It's at number 5 because Shark's best robot vacuum is competing with top-tier brands. At number 4, we've got the Shark Wandvac self-empty cordless stick vacuum, my pick for best stick vacuum. We love the Shark Wandvac cordless stick vacuum for its lightweight and easy-to-store design and powerful cleaning abilities. It also comes with a self-emptying base that clears the dustbin into a larger container. If you've never used or seen a vacuum with this feature, know that it's an absolute game changer and the sort of thing that'll entertain and delight small children. And me, if I'm being completely honest. We've managed to squeeze 6 weeks' worth of debris inside our self-emptying base, though Shark says it's meant to hold up to 30 days' worth. How long you can go is dependent on your cleaning habits and if you have shedding pets. As much as we love cordless stick vacuums, it's important to note that their battery life can be limited. This is true for any brand of cordless vacuum, but we've seen options with up to 45 minutes of cleaning power. It's at number 4 because it's the best stick vacuum with a lightweight, easy-to-store design. Coming in at number 3 is the Shark NV151 Navigator upright vacuum. Swivel steering. Easily maneuver your vacuum in and out of tight spaces, in corners, around furniture, and more. Powerful suction. Deep clean carpets and tackle bare floors with powerful Shark suction. Floor-to-ceiling cleaning. With up to 11 feet of total reach, the extendable hose lets you reach hard-to-clean areas above the floor like stairs, furniture, and more. Perfect for pets? Includes a Pet Power, a brush specially designed to remove pet hair on furniture, in tight spaces, and on carpets. It's at number 3 because of swivel steering for tight spaces and furniture. Powerful Shark suction deep cleans carpets and bare floors. A HEPA filter traps 99.9% of allergens. Lightweight design for effortless portability. 11 feet total reach for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Pet Power brush removes pet hair. Crevice tool for tight spaces. Upholstery tool for furniture and fabrics. For a reliable, affordable upright with pet tools, this is solid value. At number 2, we have the Shark Rocket Deluxe Pro Corded Stick Vacuum, my pick for best stick. Shark is one of the few brands to offer a corded stick vacuum, and this model is worth considering for its strong pickup power on both hardwood floors and carpet. Like many of our favorite Shark vacuums, it converts into a handheld for quick cleanups and includes crevice and pet tools for tight spots and upholstery. We love how lightweight it is, too. At just 8.6 pounds, it's nearly half the weight of our top overall pick. Swivel steering and a near-flat profile make it easy to clean under furniture, while LED headlights help ensure no spot is missed. It's at number 2 because it best sticks with strong pickup power on hardwood and carpet. One of the few corded stick vacuums converts to handheld for quick cleanups. Includes crevice and pet tools, swivel steering and a near-flat profile for under furniture. LED headlights ensure no spots are missed. For corded stick convenience without battery limitations, this is excellent. And finally, at number 1 is the Shark Stratos Upright Vacuum Cleaner. This is the best overall Shark vacuum. The Shark Stratos is our top overall pick for its impressive combination of power, versatility, and ease of use. In our tests, the Stratos handled every type of mess we threw at it. Fine debris like sugar, large pieces like rice, long hair, and even embedded pet hair. Its dual brush roll nozzle, which features a soft roller for bare floors and a deep cleaning brush for carpets, left hardwood, tile grout, and high pile rugs equally spotless, with no hair tangling on the brush roll. On the downside, this unit is on the heavier and bulkier side. But overall, the Shark Stratos is one of the most intuitive and reliable Shark vacuums we've tested. It's at number 1 because best overall with impressive combination of power, versatility, and ease of use. For most reliable, versatile Shark upright, the Stratos is simply unbeatable. Alright, that's the top 8 best Shark vacuums of 2026. Shark offers strong performance for the price, with great options for carpets, pet hair, quick cleanups, and daily maintenance. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite Shark vacuum. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.